Opening statements are set to begin tomorrow in the murder trial for Cody Ketchum. He's the Pittsburgh County man accused of killing Holly Cantrell, his girlfriend who was pregnant with his child and married to another man. She disappeared in 2017. He wasn't arrested until 2022. 2 News anchor Erin Christy is following the trial from McAllister, where 2 days of jury selection just wrapped up.
Jury selection is the only opportunity for attorneys to talk to the jurors directly and ask them questions. There are 40 potential jurors currently in this case. The prosecutor had all of their names memorized, the defense attorney being jovial and painting himself as the hometown attorney. They asked them several questions, everything from their work life, their spouse, their children, how they felt about law enforcement, how they felt about being here today. And the evidence that they present in this case will be very interesting because both sides talked a lot about circumstantial evidence and how they feel about it. The prosecutors wanting to know from these potential jurors if they felt that circumstantial evidence was viewed negatively, whether they felt like DNA is necessary for a case, and what their definition of beyond a reasonable doubt is. The defense also talked a lot about Cody Ketchum, the fact that he did cheat on his wife, and the difference between being a liar, a philanderer, and being a killer. Ultimately, what they need to decide is, can they find an impartial jury? Very interesting in Pittsburgh County, the prosecutor saying, raise your hand if one of the jurors knows any other juror sitting in that room. Almost all of them raised their hands. One of them said they played pickleball with the defense attorney a couple of times. One of them went to school with 2 of Holly Cantrell's kids. Several of them either work or formerly worked at the ammunition plant with Cody Ketchum or worked at the same place as Cody Ketchum. The judge said he wanted jury selection to be done by the end of today, but as of right now, they are still at 40 potential jurors. In McAllister, Erin Christy, 2 News, Oklahoma.